Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here in Troy today. It's off of 55 going towards Casstown. I think it's the east side of Troy. It's an older section of Troy. This customer did 8 windows. They chose the double pane option versus triple because they know where they're going to be going in a couple years, so they didn't want to put the triple pane in here for the expense. And on these windows here, we'll show before, this trim board stuck over the storm windows. So what we had to do is we had to take off the trim boards and cut them down once we took them storm windows off so it fit correctly. The trim boards were way too far this way when they were put on the first time, but and on this double pane option, it does just have a half a screen. But let's go on inside and take a look. All right, so here's the 2 windows we were looking at outside. And there was a total of 4 openings that we had to modify the trim. But what it was is whoever did the trim work, they had some wood in here as well, and it didn't look like a twin unit. So, but this is a twin unit molded together from the factory. You guys did a good job. I'm gonna go over here to the kitchen and open one up so you can see how it tilts in. So right here is the window in the kitchen. Just move a couple things out of the way real quick. And then on this version of double pane, still has your double locks. Actually, it was unlocked. And then on the tilt end, it's the traditional latches to tilt the window in to clean. And then I always tell everybody, if you have these, depress them. And when you tilt it back in, that way you don't mar up the vinyl. And now I'm gonna lock it. But anyway, I don't want to walk through all the bedrooms today. So there's the gist of it. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out, everybody.